long have you been with Orion?
I started with Orion in February 2019, so for around 9 months now.
What was your experience before joining?
Before I joined Orion, I'd worked in commission-based retail roles, and I've also had 1 year experience with a recruitment agency.
Tell me a bit about the team you work in and your role.
I sit within the manufacturing division at Orion, especially within key accounts. We supply to contract and permanent staff on shop floor levels.
As the manufacturing team is one of our largest divisions, what do you do as a team to support each other and keep that spirit going?
As a team, I think we communicate really effectively. There's a wealth of knowledge sitting within the team, from people who've been here for 15 years to even 2 years or 1 year like myself. We also run our individual competitions within the team to keep momentum up.
What support and training have you been given so far?
Since joining Orion, I have sat in with 1 or 2 week training course at the start. This was going through intensive training across the board, from candidate calls, lead generation, as well as writing adverts, and the support continues.
What is your favourite thing about Orion, and why should people join us?
My favourite thing about Orion is the amount of career opportunities that there are here. If you are starting off in recruitment or you're an experienced recruiter, there is always training and development for you. The communication and the atmosphere across the whole company is absolutely amazing.